This week on Entertainment Recap, Shenseea on Kanye's new album. Producer Rvssian mourns 2 deaths in 1 week. Jamaican music icon Lee Scratch Perry is dead. These and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. It is said that a man shall eat by the sweat of their brow. And so said, so done by dancehall artist Shenseea.
Me not sleep cause me living my dream. Couldn't do it by myself, so big up my team. Body thick but a home style so sick it can't fix even if me take the vaccine.
After tilling the soil, she has been consistently reaping the fruits of her labor. And this time it's with rapper Kanye West on his new album, Donda. Shenseea made an appearance on his album with not just 1 song, but 2 songs, Pure Souls and Okay Okay. It was also heartwarming to see her make a live appearance at his album launch alongside rapper DaBaby.
Dancehall producer Rvssian has lost both his father and niece in 1 week.
Death is never welcoming, but when it is here, we have to support each other through this difficult time. It's extremely hard to lose a loved one, but having to deal with the loss of 2 is beyond understanding. To Rvssian, his family, and their friends who are grieving, the PBCJ family sends our deepest condolences.
On Sunday, August 22nd, the country lost a musical icon known to us as Lee Scratch Perry.
The 85-year-old Grammy Award-winning musician lost the battle to an illness at the Noel Holmes Hospital in Lucey, Hanover. Our deepest condolences to his friends, family, and fans from the PBCJ family.
In a world where social media is of high regard, having followers, getting likes, and comments is a big thing. But being followed by these day and age celebs is a major win, especially for social media influencers.
In this case, social media influencers Pretty, TC, and Rebel were all followed by rapper Nicki Minaj on August 31st, and they were all elated. I mean, dolls followed dolls after all. The girls were this excited.
Nicki Minaj follow the gal. Nicki Minaj follow the dolly them. Give Nicki 100 meter. Right, go.
This week's new music comes from Shaneil Muir with Not Worth It and Popcaan featuring Paris Common with A Mother's Love.
Never dip on your level up. I know you're sorry, so you diss me. Now show me turn star, you link up, fi parlour me. I chat about your money and car, try buy me heart out. Good thing me have me own things, but good me well start out. Somebody you a look for go floss out, but I know me you can boss run. Show welcome dip on my mat, that no means that you need to come back. Grass no green up on the other side. Could take a next girl for another ride. I'm not the person you used to know. You drop off on my level a couple years ago. Baby boy, you not worth the wait. Easily you have been replaced. No, no want my back, trust me. Man not the same girl, man not the girl why you used to the lame girl. But you top, y'all step on the fame world. You come and cry off of me, you wanna die off of me. Most wanted, now you can't get my back like you haunted. No, every top man want the artist.
Mama, long as I live, you will never suffer. Oh, mama, 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 yes. You're the greatest that ever lived. Mama, I'll give you whatever you need. Whatever you need. Oh, I'll give you whatever you need. Whatever you need. This beautiful little lady, creating miracles out of nothing, relentless that she is. Mama gotta win. Real beauty about her, she does it with a smile. Turns trash into treasure, sorrow into pleasure.
Yeah, if mama get low, they know me stay silent. Treat my mama with love, I'll never use violence. Give me life did rough, me know the rules and laws. Me know the small board house, that's why me love grandma. She teach me about the living God.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to these individuals. Happy birthday to you. This week's birthday shout out goes to international reggae artist Omi. Yes, and our reggae artist Cockatee and the late Alton Ellis. Have a great birthday, and for Alton Ellis, rest in peace. And guess what? Continue doing great work, Omi and Cockatee, and big up you! And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia. Remember to follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. It's PBC Jamaica. And thanks to Air Candy for my small hoops today. And follow them on all social media platforms at The Air Candy Collection. It's The Air Candy Collection. Hear what? Just continue. Be who you are. And guess what? Have a great day and continue. Pick up who? You!